Hi. Would like to see what Bill. Okay. Basically, chart icon. It was kind of hard to read the writing. Okay. So icon. Yeah, icon has kind of not been so much in the spotlight now because the last month or so, Polkadot has just taken the entire crypto world by storm with their interoperability and parachains and all the different people building on top of it. That icon is really it's really becoming an afterthought. So also curious to see the perspective on icon.
Okay, coming up. Okay, so icon. This reminds me of what went on in DeFi and then with the oracles, right? Icon right now has got a pretty decent bid and it's at the top of a range it's been in for basically a year and a half. Right. And I see this, it's a different form of it on the Polkadot chart, but basically, icon is not very exciting. Okay. But it is making a green candle and it's kind of pushing against resistance. And we saw this with a couple other alts. Like it paid, like somebody actually asked this, it paid to buy certain alts when they were just below resistance because when they broke out, they mooned. Now, is Icon going to moon? I don't know. Is Polkadot going to moon? I have a pretty decent chart and it might. So if Polkadot moons, it could possibly take Icon with it. And we talked earlier about this whole idea that, nothing's going to topple Ethereum, but you could have multiple platforms running similar types of technology. So is Icon great? Is it the best one? Probably not. But can it go up if the whole space goes up? Yes.
All right. Thank you, Bill. So that's the take on icon. Actually, let me see if we can get some price predictions on icon. Okay, just give me a second here. I'm pulling it up. And as we like to say, if you haven't yet joined Token Metrics, be sure to join so. I mean, because we have price predictions that are getting better and better. And this month, probably by the end of the month, even next month, we'll have even more accurate price predictions. Now, obviously, not every coin has perfect predictions, but if there's a coin where we can find patterns in the data, then you're pretty sure that our AI will gleam and find those patterns, right? Because that's kind of the entire premise. There's finding patterns in big data. And in this case, the price prediction, we use neural networks to go through just purely the pricing data, right? So, okay, so I've pulled this up here. Just give me a second. All right, so yeah, this model has been getting more and more accurate. So we see here, beginning in May, our models had icon at about 30 cents. It was actually at 25 cents. And then icon kind of corrected, and now basically for the most part it's kind of been going in the same trend, and now it's actually broken away and it's now trading higher than our price predictions. So we had it at 36 cents. It's actually at 42 cents, and we have it slowly going higher. But yeah, I mean, all in all, it's definitely saying it's trending upwards gradually. So I think definitely kind of also take that into thought as you kind of look into possibly trading this. But I mean, I would definitely recommend going to Token Metrics and just kind of subscribing, because as mentioned before, these ratings or these models, they're rolling 30-day price predictions, meaning that 1 week later we'll have 1 week worth of new pricing data, which will then factor into the model to then predict the next 30 days, right? So it's constantly updating with every single day of new data. But tell us what you think. Are you bullish on Icon? Do you think Icon is going to bounce back? Do you think Icon can compete with Polkadot, with Cosmos? Tell us what you think down below.